and was one of several new Iron Man armors created by Tony Stark as part of the Iron Legion. The armor was created sometime between the Battle of New York and Mandarin threats. It was featured in Iron Man 3 and made its debut when Tony ordered Jarvis to initiate the house party protocol. Okay, the suit was named Shotgun due to its explosive sound it creates, like a real shotgun itself when breaking the sound barrier while in flight. The armor was built for hypervelocity traveling and specializes in high-speed flights. It is currently known as the fastest hypervelocity armor among Tony's armor arsenal with a speed of over the excess of Mach 5. So yan, marami kayong information na malalaman tungkol dito if you go to the wiki page. Okay? So for articulation, head up, quick, tanggal. Up, down, 360. Can you do 360? Yes, pwede. Left and right. Okay. Tapos extend the torso, stretch and ab crunch. Okay, side to side movement. Tapos extend yung arms. You can also push it in. Extend 360. Tapos merong twist, may swivel. You can also move the shoulder away for uh, a larger range of motion. Tapos double jointed ba to? Yes, double jointed na elbow and ball joint yung kamay. Tapos sa paa naman, you can extend you can pull it down for additional range of motion. Pwede nyo rin iangat itong part na to. Wait lang. Alright, you can pull this down, up, okay. Mayroon din ito leg swivel or rotation, up. Pwede siyang sumipa ng ganito. Dahan-dahan lang kasi baka magkaroon ng paint chip, okay. Tapos, okay, back. Tapos double jointed knee and ball joint yung paa. Okay. Alright, overall, this is a very, very nice addition sa inyong Iron Man collection. Kung nagko-collect kayo ng ZD Toys or kumpleto nyo yung house party protocol na armors, you should definitely get one of these. Okay? So, pumunta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook if you want to get one. Mag-send lang kayo ng message sa kanya for inquiries about this item. Okay? Again, thank you very much, Laruanan, for sponsoring this video. Alright, thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!